everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys how I pack up the JuJuBe Be Light in the brand new Hello Sanrio and JuJuBe collaboration print, Party in the Sky. You guys, this print is super cute. I love it. It is so pastel, so me. You have baby blues, you have pale greens, pale yellow, baby pink, bubblegum pink, just so many pretty colors that totally remind me of ice cream. So I really like it. I think it's actually my favorite Hello Kitty JuJuBe prints so far. If you are new to the Be Light, it's actually one of JuJuBe's lightest weight bags that they offer. Not only is it lightweight, but if you have it empty and you want to keep it in your diaper bag as an extra bag, you can just fold it up really small. I will show you guys that after I am all done unpacking the bag, but it's really cool. I've taken them with me on vacations before, just folded up into my bag so I can take extra things home with me, like souvenirs and things. So it's really great. It also works great as a car bag. You can keep your baby carrier in it and other extra things that you need. You have these really great tote straps that are a very nice drop length, so when you wear it, this bag just fits right up under your arm. You also have these little loops on the sides so you can attach a messenger strap to the bag and wear it over the shoulder and crossbody as well. So I love that you have different options. In the front of the bag here, you have two nice tall and narrow slip pockets. These are a great place to keep your phone, your keys, maybe a bottle of water or a baby bottle. And on the inside, you have one zippered pocket. Other than that, there is no organization. Also, if you guys are wanting to purchase any of the items in this video, I will be leaving links down below for you guys to shop through. If you want to shop JuJuBe with me, that link is always live. That is an affiliate link, so I do make a small commission off of each sale when you use that link. So thank you so much to everybody who shops through me. So let's get started on the packing video. I actually have this bag packed up for me and my 3-year-old who is potty trained. So in the very front pockets here, on this side I have my phone. This is an iPhone 11 Max Pro. Fits great up and down in there. This was actually on top of some other things in there. So it's a very nice tall pocket. I also have my Kate Spade Cara wallet down in there as well, which I thought actually pairs really nicely with this print. It's super pretty with the colors. Also down in here, I have my keys. On the other side here, I just have a bottle of water for my son. Now that we have gone through the front pockets, I'm just gonna swing this around real quick so you guys can see what it looks like. This is how narrow it is on the sides, but literally you can fill this bag up so much, you guys. You can fit more in it than you think you can. So I'm going to show you what I have in here. There's the back. There you go. Let's jump onto the inside. So this is what the top of the Be Light looks like in the Party in the Sky print. It's super cute. I especially love this bubblegum pink zipper that they have across the top. It's so cute. And you also have these really cute little charms, the Hello Kitty here. Now, as I mentioned, I do have this bag packed up for me and my 3-year-old. One of the things I love about the Be Light is how easy it is to just take and go somewhere. If you don't want to use your really nice diaper bag to go to daycare or drop your child off at the church nursery, then this is a great option. You don't have to worry too much about them getting dirty and things like that because JuJuBe is machine washable, but it's just really easy to just take it and grab and go. So I really like that. Let's go ahead and get on to the inside. This is how I have it packed up. As you can see, I have some Party in the Sky accessories down in there. It is really cute. I especially love this print on the Be set because it is just so cute. Also, look at this great lining. I'll show you guys up close a little bit better. I love that lining. It is a soft pink with little clouds shaped like Hello Kitty and all of her friends. You have some stars and little tiny clouds, so it's really cute. So let's go ahead and go through the inside of the bag here. Like I said, you have one zippered pocket back here. I kind of like to keep that open because the zippered pocket is not huge or anything, but it does still hold quite a bit, as you can see, so you can just easily access your things. So as the bag gets lighter and emptier, it's gonna start slouching on me. So here we go. I'll try and lean it here a little bit. So in my small set piece, this is my print placement. I thought it was so cute. Isn't this print just adorable, you guys? I'd love to know what your favorite character is on this print. If you could comment down below and let me know. I think the little twin stars are my favorite on this one. And I also love this little one here. That's my Melody. It's so cute. So let's go ahead and go through this. In here, I just have a few things for me. So I have some hand lotion, a mirror, chapstick, and a folding hairbrush down in there for myself. Next, I have my son's iPod. Now this just has some educational games on it for him. So if we're out and about and he gets really bored or really fussy, I'll hand this over to him and he can just do some like number games. He loves numbers. I also have my inhaler down in here because I did get sick a few months ago and I haven't fully 100% recovered from that. And my inhaler's been really helping me. So I'm gonna keep that for sure. I also have this. This has our masks in it. I like to keep these separate from everything else. So here's mine. This is by My Kitsch. And I really, really like these. They are very nice quality, breathable, and soft. And they just fit really well. So I love those masks. And then I also have a little black one for my son. We got these on Amazon. That's all that was in that pocket there. So as you guys can see, that's how far down my hand goes on it. Zip that up. This is what I have left. So I also have a bottle of water in here for myself. So besides having one in the front pocket for my son, I also had this. And this is a 9-ounce Swell bottle in the opal, one of my favorites. Next, let's go through this. This is a medium set piece. I told you that was gonna start falling over. So in my medium set piece, I have a few snacks and things for my son and myself. So I have a little granola bar for him, some Ritz crackers, some yogurt raisins, a fruit pouch, and I also have some nuts for me. So I won't go through all of those while we're out, possibly, but if I need them, I have them. Next, I have my large set piece here. And in here, I have a small set piece. This is a little med kit. So in here, I have Band-Aids, nail clippers, some Aquaphor, and some pills in case one of us gets a headache. I also have some wipes in here. I have a wipe pouch, 30 in there, and then I also have a Baby Olay wet bag in case there is a mess that I wasn't planning on. So that is what was in my large set piece. My last thing to go through is my Be Quick. And I really like it in this print. I think it's so cute. That's the front and the back. And the Be Quick actually does come with a purse strap. So if you wanted to use this as a purse, you totally can. In here, I just have a change of clothes for my son. So I have some underwear, a shirt, some jeans, and a pair of socks down in there. And that is all I have in my bag. So now that the Be Light is empty, I did want to show you guys how easily this folds down. If you fold it in half, you can do that. Squeeze all the air out. It's already super flat. I like to fold it in thirds sometimes, and you can actually fit this inside of a Be Quick or a large set piece when you do it this way. So that can make it even more compact. I really, really like that way. You can also roll it if you want. But this is just super handy when you go on trips or if you want to go to Disney and bring back some souvenirs. So I really, really like that. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Don't forget you guys can shop this beautiful new print over on the Shop JuJuBe website, and I will leave my affiliate link in the description below for you so you can shop through that anytime. Thanks for watching!